Hey guys, this is my footage of an actual helicopter landing to take somebody to the hospital. So here it is. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but here is my footage of a helicopter. If you ever got injured that they couldn't put you in an ambulance, this is what they would take you in. That right there. Yeah, I'm currently on the scene of a medical call. My family are firefighters, so we got called here. One thing led to another. And then that came. I wish I videotaped the where it was coming in. Yeah. So that's pretty much what happened. Bye. Bye. I meant